This is the latest gimbal from DJI Osmo Mobile 3. As you've probably seen tons of positive reviews about it, you may still wonder, would it be the best phone gimbal for you on the go? Well, today I took this gimbal to the best tourist destination here in Shenzhen to help you find out. Let's go! What you just saw is a short clip of time-lapse. You can just choose the mode in the DJI Mimo app and set the intervals and press the record button. Hold your gimbal stably and here you go. Of course, it comes with different time-lapse modes, like motion time-lapse, which you choose different points, and then it will shoot the footage according to the route you just set, and hyperlapse. If you want to do them perfectly, you can learn a lot of tricks and tutorials from YouTube. Here I'm not going to elaborate that. Next is one of the greatest features I like most from this gimbal, which is the sports mode. When in sports mode, it allows you to follow a fast moving thing pretty quickly. Let's see this zoom. The zoom is in sports mode as well, and I can follow it when I see it. Okay, I just cannot keep in pace with the zoom. The zoom is too fast. It's not the gimbal problem, it's my problem. So next I'm gonna follow something less faster. Let's go! That's stable, right? As we have shoot with the gimbal for about 5 hours or 6 hours, the battery of the gimbal is still left like maybe 90%, but the iPhone 8 Plus we shoot with is out of battery, you can see here. So let's just maybe change the phone. To set up the phone is quite easy. Just insert and balance, select back and forth to make sure it's well balanced. Okay, and then rotate 19 degrees. Okay, it's already balanced. Not yet. Maybe okay. Now it's leveled in all degrees. Then we can turn it on. Now let's just create more stories inside. Story. So if you have to ask me what the story like is, I guess I still need a lot of practice. What a day, ladies and gentlemen. I got so tan here, but I enjoy the sunlight anyway. Let's move to the Osmo Mobile 3. So if you ask me, it is the perfect gimbal for your phone on the go. I don't think it's perfect, like when compared to its predecessor. The tilt angle is limited, cannot rotate like thoroughly, like upside down. Also, you cannot use in a flash mode. You can only use like this way. So it's a little bit awkward to use, but I guess with some time and practice, you make it used to it. Also, I don't know why for hyperlapse videos, it always starts to shake for the second half part I don't know why it's a software problem or the way I using it is not correct. Maybe I'll have to ask the customer service of the DJI. And also the panel mode. The dancing girl can get some good photos like that, but when I'm doing the panel mode, I get some picture like this, which is not good. Maybe I have to practice, okay? That's maybe my problem. So that's the bad stuff. I mean, it's not perfect. But if you ask me, it is the best so far. I guess it is. It's compact. You can just basically fold it, put it in a bag or even in a pocket. It's easy to carry. That's one thing. And the second thing is the price. I guess in this price range, DJI has already done the best in this phone gimbal industry. Nothing complain about it. Small things like the battery. The two phones I was using today were auto battery completely, but the gimbal still has like at least 50% battery. That's amazing. And you can also charge your phone even. Sports mode and active track mode is so amazing. I put there and you can check out. So overall, I guess it's not perfect, but I guess it is the best gimbal for your phone on the go so far. And you can also check the link in the description to get this gimbal. I'm Sammy. See you next time.